Unfold your charging experience with the new two-fold wireless charger. Let's jump into this bad boy right here. So this is going to be a wireless charger with an integrated kickstand that you do see here. It does prop your phone up on the front. It's a 15-watt charger, so extremely powerful, exactly where you want it to be for your devices. It does have great branded capabilities on the front, full color, fairly edge to edge, so you can really capture everything that your brand needs. And lastly, we do have beautiful attachments for if you need or lose any of your attachments on the back inside as a storage compartment. The new two-fold, unfold, the power of your wireless charging.